Justice Okon Abang of the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja has discharged Onyechi Piazzo and Emeka Itiaba from the legal representation of the former National Publicity Secretary of the People's Democratic Party, Olisa Metuh. This followed a request made by two senior advocates of Nigeria in their application, citing immense pressure with respect to their appearance in the case, as well as severe threats to their lives. Our judiciary correspondent, Basilo Kafo, reports.
The trial of former National Public Secretary of the People's Democratic Party, Olisa Metuh, has again witnessed another turn of events as two senior lawyers representing him have withdrawn from the case on alleged threat to their lives. Before the trial judge could hear agreement on the applications for withdrawal, Metuh had procured a new counsel with a letter informing the court of change of counsel, and this prompted Onyechi Piazzo to argue orally that the application has been overtaken by events. But in a ruling, the trial judge, Justice Okon Abang, relied on Section 36, Subsection 6 of the 1999 Constitution to hold that Metuh has right to change counsel that will best defend his case. After the ruling, the new counsel, Abel Ozioko, took over the defense, but he quickly requested for 2 weeks adjournment to enable his client brief him properly on the case. The prosecution did not raise an objection, prompting the judge to adjourn till March 28, warning that no frivolous application for adjournment would be entertained again in the trial.
The duty of every counsel is to ensure that nothing more severe than the case of his client warrants is done. So that is just it. And the court agreed that I need time. That is a constitutional right of the first defendant to engage a counsel of his choice.
For a counsel to enter into a new case is a very onerous task. He has to be abreast and get informed as to the circumstances and all things that transpired during the case.
Metuh is standing trial on 7-count charge filed against him by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission for allegedly receiving 400 million naira from former National Security Advisor Sambo Dasuki.
Of course, there must be some delays. As you are aware, the case has been adjourned 2 weeks from now. So it's one of the things we encounter in trials.
Piazzo and Itiaba had relied on Section 349, Subsection 7 and 8 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015 to make the application for withdrawal from the case. Since Metuh was arraigned in 2015, his trial has suffered several adjournments, with some ugly incidents involving his being brought to court on stretcher. Basil Okafor, Court TV News, Abuja.